Gelux application, step by step. Step 1. Disinfect hands and tools using Mia's Secret Hand Sanitizer and push cuticle using the 2-in-1 pusher. Step 2. Remove the dead skin with the help of the 2-in-1 pusher. Step 3. Structure the nails using a Speedy Zebra File 180-180. Step 4. Remove the natural shine and create porosity on the nail surface with a Speedy Zebra File 180-180. Step 5. Apply nail prep. Followed by the extra bond on the nail, ensuring you do not touch the skin. Step 6. Apply a thin layer of luxury UV base and top gel. Cure under lamp for 30 seconds. Step 7. Apply a thin layer of Gelux gel nail polish and cure into the lamp for 30 seconds. Repeat this process once again. Final step. Apply a thin layer of luxury UV base and top gel and cure under lamp for 30 seconds. With a nail wipe, clean nail surface with gel cleanser.